I'm going to show you exactly how to align text with images in WordPress using the built-in block editor. No plugins, no code. So first, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Pages, then All Pages if you're editing a page. If you're working on a blog post, go to Posts, then All Posts instead. Find the page or post you want and click Edit. I'm working on a page, so I'll open that. Click where you want the image and text to appear. Then click the plus button to open the block inserter. Type Media and Text in the search bar. Select the Media and Text block. WordPress adds a two-column section with an image area on one side and a text area on the other. Click the image area. You can click Upload to add a new image, or choose one from the media library. I'll upload a new one. Select the image from your computer and it appears in the block. Before you move on, add descriptive alt text in the right sidebar, because that is what screen readers use and what search engines read. Don't skip it. Now click inside the text area. Type a heading first, something like Create a Professional Website. Hit Enter and add your description underneath. The text automatically sits next to the image. That is the whole point of this block. Now the layout. Select the whole media and text block by clicking its border or toolbar. Look in the block toolbar for the option that switches the media and text position. Click it. You can flip between image on the left and text on the right, or text on the left and image on the right. Pick whichever fits your page. I usually keep the image on the left for standard pages. Next, vertical alignment. With the media and text block still selected, find the vertical alignment controls in the block toolbar or in the settings sidebar. You'll see top, center, and bottom. Choose center if you want the text vertically centered next to the image. That's the one I use most when the image is taller than the text. If you want the text to start at the top, choose top. Bottom is useful less often, but it's there. Now click inside the text area, specifically on the heading or paragraph block you added. Look at its own toolbar for text alignment controls. You can set the text left, center, or right. Choose left for a traditional read. Center works if you want the text centered inside its column. Right alignment is rarely useful, and it can make the text harder to read, so I skip it unless the design truly calls for it. Next, adjust the image size. Select the image inside the media and text block. In the right sidebar, look for the image size dropdown. Choose an appropriate size. Large or full size usually looks fine here, but don't make the image unnecessarily huge. A properly sized image keeps the text and image balanced and keeps the page fast. Use a high-quality image that matches the content next to it. Now add some space between the image and the text. Select the whole media and text block again. Open the dimension settings in the right sidebar if your theme exposes them. Look for padding or block spacing. Add enough space so the text doesn't feel crowded against the image. I usually add a bit of padding on the text side, maybe 1.5 rem or so, and then check it. If you want more control over each side, use a columns block instead. Click the plus button, search for columns, and choose a two-column layout. Put an image block in one column and a heading and paragraph block in the other. This is the method I use when the text side needs more than a heading and a short paragraph, because you can customize each column independently. The media and text block is faster for simple layouts. Now check mobile. Click Preview in the top toolbar. Check the page on desktop first, then switch to mobile preview. The media and text block stacks the image above the text on smaller screens. Make sure the image isn't too large on mobile and the text is easy to read. If it looks broken, go back to the editor and adjust the block settings. The usual fix is the image size or the vertical alignment. When you're satisfied, click Update in the top right. If you're working on a new page or post, click Publish instead. While we're here, open the dimension settings again. This is where you add real spacing, so don't be tempted to use empty paragraphs or repeated blank lines to force alignment. They look fine in the editor but break on mobile. Now click the block toolbar for the media and text block. If a particular alignment option isn't available here, your theme or WordPress version may expose a different set of controls. You don't need a plugin or custom code for standard text and image alignment. The built-in media and text and columns blocks do it. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments push this to other people looking for the same thing.